Norman Pritchard participated in 1900 Paris Olympics as the first athlete from India in the game. He became the first Asian-born athlete to win Olympic medal. Due to Pritchard's British ancestry, there have been debates over Norman Pritchard's nationality, but the 1975-born did travel with an Indian passport and had an Indian birth certificate. The year was 1912. There were talks about exchange of documents and letters between British Olympic Association, International Olympic Committee and the India office. It was mostly about India's participation in Olympics, but the talks didn't work for 1912. In 1916, India's participation at the Berlin Olympic Games was much anticipated. However, these games were eventually cancelled due to the outbreak of the First World War. India eventually participated in 1920 Olympics Games. With the help of industrialists like Sir Dorab Tata, India again sent athletes to 1924 Games, but none were in contention for a medal. In 1928, the first medal, gold, was won at the 1928 Amsterdam Olympics. It was during this tour that Dhyan Chand established himself as the premier star of Indian hockey by scoring 14 of the 29 goals scored by India. After gaining independence in 1947, the 1948 London Olympics saw the Indian hockey team win its fourth consecutive Olympic gold and first as an independent nation. Wrestler KD Jadhav made a difference to India's Olympic voyage by winning first individual Olympic medal from independent India. Things started getting dramatic after 2008. With 3 medals in 2008, India jumped to 6 Olympic medals in 2012 London Olympics. For 2016 Rio Olympics, PV Sindhu and Sakshi Malik won medals for India. It got better in 2020 Tokyo Games. Neeraj Chopra won a historic gold medal in athletics, the first ever Indian medal in track and field. The total tally of 7 medals was the highest ever for India in an Olympic Games. For the 2024 Olympic Games, India aims to win double-digit medals with athletes like Neeraj, Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty, Nikhat Zareen and Shifat Samra. Also, with India getting its grip over the Games, it prepares to bid for the 2036 Games.